words to this one are hit 'em again, harder. Hit 'em again, harder. So for this entire cheer, you're going to be popping your legs just like that. Just start with your right. Always start with your right, okay? So you're just popping the entire cheer. Your first arm movement is a T. No, sorry, baby T. So you start with baby T, right leg pops. You switch, and you hit. So here, hit. Right over left. So you're popping, baby T, right leg pops, hit, right over left, your left leg pops. You switch back to your right leg, and you hit T, and then clap. Switch again. So try that.